Have you ever found it challenging to save money after paying all your monthly bills and expenses? Well, today I've got a secret for you, an age-old personal finance concept that's been modernized for the 21st century. It's called paying yourself first, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to master this powerful technique that can transform your financial life. Imagine you receive your hard-earned paycheck in your checking account, but instead of immediately allocating it towards bills and purchases, we'll automate the process using a savvy online bank like Capital One 360. This bank offers higher interest rates because they don't have the overhead of traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. Now let's divide your income into different accounts to pay yourself first. The first pillar of financial security is retirement. Allocate a specific amount, let's say $115 every week, to your retirement fund. By doing this, you prioritize your future financial well-being. We all dream of a comfortable retirement where we can enjoy the fruits of our labor without financial stress. Paying yourself first for retirement ensures you're building a nest egg that will support you during your golden years. Next, set aside $50 every week for your emergency fund. This safety net will protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills, ensuring peace of mind during life's uncertainties. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, shielding you from falling into debt when life throws unexpected curveballs. Having this fund means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans during emergencies, saving you from hefty interest charges. Life is meant to be experienced, and travel enriches the soul. Allocate $50 a week to your travel fund or any other hobby that brings you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's exploring new countries, indulging in culinary delights, or pursuing an adrenaline-pumping adventure, having a designated travel fund allows you to live life to the fullest without derailing your financial goals. Whether it's a new car or a dream vehicle, set aside $100 every week into a car fund. You'll know exactly what you can afford when the time comes to make that purchase. Many people fall into the trap of financing cars beyond their means, leading to hefty monthly payments and financial strain. With a car fund, you'll have saved up a substantial down payment, putting you in a better position to negotiate a favorable deal. For those aiming to own a home, channel $230 each week into your house fund. This way, you're steadily building the foundation for your future dream home. The prospect of home ownership can seem daunting, especially with rising property prices. However, with disciplined saving and paying yourself first, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proud homeowner. Automating your savings in this way removes the temptation to skip contributions and spend on other things. You live off what's left in your checking account, knowing that all your financial goals are being diligently funded. Automation is the key to consistency and success in saving money. It eliminates the need for constant decision-making and ensures that your financial priorities are always taken care of. Another perk of this approach is the instant gut check it provides for financial decisions. Want to buy that dream car or a bigger house? Check your respective fund. If it's not there, it's time to reevaluate and find a more realistic option. This system prevents impulsive spending on items you can't afford, keeping you on track to achieve your long-term objectives. Though online savings accounts offer moderate interest rates, consider moving funds into a brokerage account for long-term goals. Investments in stocks, index funds, or ETFs can harness the power of compound interest over time. As your money grows, it generates returns on top of returns, exponentially increasing your wealth. It's the snowball effect, and the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Remember, emergency funds are not suitable for risky investments. Keep those funds liquid and easily accessible to weather financial storms. While investing in the stock market can yield higher returns, it also carries higher risks. For short-term financial goals or emergency funds, stick to safer and more readily available savings options. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.